Man, what is good, YouTube? I am back with another video. What's up, V6 gang? What up, gang? Getting back good with this, but literally right now we are headed to a goddamn meet. 704 versus everybody. Right now I'm behind a track hawk, I'm behind a goddamn Hellcat, and I'm behind Stunna Reese. So we gonna see Stunna Reese, SRT BREE, Mozzie. It's they meet, man. So yeah, I'm gonna pick it up when we get there, but we outside, you know that. Track hawk right here. This bitch stupid. That's the Hellcat, and Stunna Reese is in front. You see he pulling something. I'm gonna get y'all footage, but I had to show y'all. That's Stunna Reese right there. We made it. We made it, boys and girls. We made it, boys and girls. I ain't gonna lie. Mopar done pulled up. They all behind me if you see all that. But we made it. That's good, my guy. That's good, my guy. Pulled up deep, huh? Pulled up deep. A V6 Mafia. They pulled up deep, huh? Hellcat. They pulled up deep. What's good? That's why I can't adapt everybody up. Yeah. What's good, Stunna? Good. Chillin'. Shit, told you Stunna had something on the damn trailer. Vice City Hellcat, beautiful out here. Track haul went stupid. That track haul look hard, boy. Shit, man. Had to get the show car action. That was regular car back there, but we had to get the show car action, man. We got the Mopar out here, boy. Yeah, y'all see the show car. Front of the show. Front of the show. I don't play around like that. It's like a mandatory to come look at Trapathons with every time. Every time you gotta come look at it, but every time. Shee, boy. Look what Reese did to the interior of them motherfuckers. Clean as a bitch. That bitch clean as hell, man. See what pulled up right next to me? Big Black Panther. That bitch stupid. Shit. World's new rap, man. Let's see, y'all like it? That bitch hitting. That bitch hitting, boy. Look at the details on it. Shee. You got the big Toro. Oh, I see the little indents right here. Y'all see this? Yeah. But this one goes stupid too. Yeah, okay. That blue goes dumb. Hellcat red eye, that one is. Another red eye right here. Ooh. 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 It's Buzz City. It's a Buzz City meet. But who right here? Who right here? Big Eugene. I already showed y'all the Panther. This is Superwoman. My last video, y'all probably gonna see that. But I really came over here for this one right here. Ooh! The print it. Bro, you gotta go print it, bro. This shit hard. Yeah. Ooh! Look at the work on the inside. Ooh! That bitch stupid. Oh my god.
This motherfucker like a motherfucking life size.
That bitch like a transformer.
That's the one I've been wishing.
Oh, the Alcantara on that one. Look at the devil on that one. Mopar really showing up. Really showing the hell, boy. The forged carbon on it, boy. Boy, ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way. I should have went with this. I should have went with that. That would have went stupid.
What is it? Forged carbon?
Yeah, forged carbon. I should have went with that. You see how it's sparkle in that bitch? I like that one. How y'all like the goddamn mask on the Mopar? I didn't put the mask on mine. You know what I mean? You know, coronavirus. So let's see. Sheesh. That's Tay's rap. And then here you go again. I'm not gonna say I started a trend, but I think I started the trend of the mask. I ain't, you know what I mean? Yo, why is he on? He's on. I was the first one here, wasn't I? And parked right there with the mask. So they copying me after that. He's hating. Don't listen to him on V6 yet. Look at that. SRT Jeep. No supercharger on it. Hat, boy. That shit.
Look at bro, we
fuck with that hat, boy. Yeah, stop playing with me, boy.
I'm about to tag on me in this. What's
Facts,
good,
it's good. Eli.
Yeah, I actually won the car from him.
You did?
First giveaway.
Is it here?
Yeah, the F8 that's down there. Of course, I got wrapped a little bit, but yeah.
Yeah, I gotta go see it. Facts, I got the purple.
So, you know, I'm loaded out. Man.
Yeah.
What's good? I'm Meech. My YouTube channel is called The Nightlife. And we here in Charlotte, turning up, good event, good people. I'm just trying to network, build. I probably can get out, so.
Big fact.
Be sure to support now.
Big facts. V6 Mafia, here go my Stang right here. We outside.
I just gave y'all his Stang.
Yeah, we outside. Yes, sir. But yeah, on me and
Hit you
Hellcat.
up after the cars and coffee.
My boy, on me and a Hellcat. No cap. I'm not lying.
I think this is
That on me in the Hellcat. You know I had to come get it. He did it right. He did it right. He doing it good on me. Forged carbon on it. He took good care of it on me. Yes. No cap.
I'm not really big into the
Knockout 360s. Right next to the prize women on me in the Hellcat. That's my boy right there, man. I'll go ahead. Let me go ahead and get some. I already got him on Instagram. Yeah.
I'll get a sweet tooth. Come see me. We're gonna be in the front, okay?
Alright, bet. This knockout 360s right here. Y'all know him. Wide body go crazy on it. Wide body go crazy. That's just crazy. We just came out with the same hats pointing on me, man. That's just crazy. Yeah, more parts came crazy. Yee! 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 Christian, you did him dirty, didn't you? I seen it.
Very dirty.
Live action, I seen it with this very car.
Like a whole bunch of caps.
Cardi 2 clean right here.
I had him
This
for the
is-
40-year-old, but got
No, be honest, be honest. So which one you like better? The Mopar or this?
I got mixed feelings, bro.
No, go ahead, go ahead.
The Scat was funny.
Mm-hmm.
I can do burnouts, do whatever. But this right here is an all-around car. It's a whole lot faster.
Yeah.
Hellcat fan and the luxury of the cars. So,
Fact. Yeah, this don't let you do burnouts like you want it.
I mean, I can do it, but it's just, it's not really like that. So I got VIP closed doors. That man said,
Oh, he closed the door by himself. Ooh.
yeah, it's different though, bro. It's like, yeah, you welcome. I mean,
Fans, I need y'all to know. This is the one, this is what I want. This is what I want right here. Oh, snap. I'm in
nobody's in
the,
the car right now, right?
right here.
How about we make this car move back?
Ooh, Toro.
What's going on?
It's good.
Why we ain't doing that? Why not make this car move backwards?
Ooh, that.
Let me give us a little space. Yeah.
Boy, ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way. He not in the car. Boy, ain't no way. No way, Stunner. Boy, ain't no way.
We going forward now.
He said, we going forward now. Boy, ain't no way. This is what I want, y'all. This is what I want, gang. White seats and all. That's what I want right there. Yes, sir. This Jeep's crazy. Sheesh. That bitch bad as shit, boy. Look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
It's a donut. This yours, my boy? You doing your thing. You doing your thing. How y'all like this color right here? This color. I like this color. Oh, look at the seats. The blue seats. Sheesh. Slime pack pulled up. Okay. Oh, I see you, girl. That bitch hard. That bitch hard. Mighty Stunna. Back with another video, nigga. That shit hard. That shit hard. I like what he did to it. Everything he did to it. This bitch stupid. Well, I can't see the color on that, but let me see. This the color of the rim. This the color of the rim. That bitch is speaking. She is speaking to me. Okay, now this one. Look at the splash on it. Okay, now this one, he doing something right here. Nice color on that. That's like only a few made on that one. Look at that engine. Look at the engine on this one. God damn. Then the big CA. Big Corvette boys. Big CA. Security boss. Stingray R. It ain't a regular Stingray. It's the race Stingray. Just rate my rap. Just rate my rap. I know it's a V6. I know you didn't see anything because all this Mopar. I know you didn't see it. I know I've been front row and y'all ain't see it because all this Mopar. But
I done got it.
That's it. That's a 10. You got one right.
I got it when I first came up here.
Oh, you did? Oh, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm just trying to start V6 Mafia. But yeah, just rate my rap. I want you to.
All right, so all the purple is wrapped too.
Yeah, that's.
So what's the stock top?
What's the? It's matte metallic gray.
Okay. So for Mopar, it would be plum crazy.
Oh my God, that ain't plum crazy purple, man.
I'll give you credit though, because the plum crazy purple go hard.
Dang.
Like she got the hair raised.
Yeah,
So
and then
that's hard. And then you got the carbon fiber stripes.
yeah,
And it's on the wing.
yeah.
So you say we wasn't blinking.
Yeah, you want? Yeah, I seen it. So what you think?
What I really like is that big ass decal you got on the window.
Oh yeah, big Eugene. Oh right here. Oh yeah, that thing hard, ain't it? I'm trying to get out here, man. I made that myself.
Oh.
What you think?
What's your scale? You want 1 to 10?
Scared. Let's do 5. It's a Mustang. I ain't trying to go.
Nah, we ain't down.
You ain't down playing? All right, do 10. 1 through 10.
1 through 10?
Yeah, 1 through 10.
I'm gonna give it an 8 because it's a Mustang.
What you giving me, Slime Pat? What you giving me? Appreciate you. That's good enough for me. I ain't gonna lie. That's good enough for me. What you giving me, Slime Pat? Come on now. I ain't doing shit on yours. I ain't doing shit. Oh man. Yeah, you love the little lights in that. Yeah. 8.2. That's good. I'm good with that. That's good. I appreciate that. My guy Mighty, I don't want to interrupt, but I just want you to grade it. You know what I mean? I just started my YouTube. I just want, MIGHTYSTUNNA back with another, just to rate my shit real quick. You know what I mean?
Look around. It's a wrap.
Yeah, it's a wrap.
I ain't gonna count it.
Out of 10.
I ain't gonna count that.
I know it's not a Mopar. I know.
Oh no, you good, bro. It's all out everywhere.
I appreciate it.
I ain't gonna count. It's a 10 out of 10.
It's a 10 out of 10. Don't do me like that, bro.
I swear to God, bro.
Don't do me like that, man.
I like this, bro.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
I like this color. Screenshot this right here, man. Y'all
I appreciate it.
I see you trying to protect the buzz.
Yeah.
I need to
Fact.
do one of those.
Yeah, fact. Bro, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I got everything. Bro, I appreciate it, my boy. Thank you. Let me know. I just want you to rate my car. 10 seconds. I know it's hot. Yeah, right here. It's a Mustang now. I know you like Mopar. I know. Just right here. I know. Want to rate?
What you say about your car? You gotta take this shit out, bro.
Yeah, I do. It's a mask. Coronavirus. She be going hard. I needed you. Yeah, go ahead. Nah, I need all the criticism. I just started my. Sheesh, I'm in the dirt, literally.
You get a wash before you came here?
I sprayed it off. I ain't gonna lie.
But did you get a wash before you came here?
No, the answer is no. She on my head. I like it though.
I like that this is tinted.
Yeah. I'm gonna get euros.
Dirty, but okay.
Damn, she on my head. I love it.
Your rim scraped up, my boy.
It's a Mustang. No. Chill. Damn. I ain't hit no crowd yet. Yeah, so what you see, all the fuck up. Yeah. What you say? Mighty, you had to go harder for me, man. She criticizing me, boy. She criticizing me, boy.
I'll give you a 5. I ain't gonna count.
Damn!
I could have said a 0.
Hey, at least I got a 5
I
though.
don't like purple. I don't like the font. It's kind of dirty. Your rims is kind of straight. But
Going hard.
it's a Mustang though.
I like it.
You got a car who watching don't got a car.
You're right. Damn.
You already won up on it.
Yeah, no, I just started my channel. It's only up from here.
Exactly, it's only up.
That's why I just wanted to get a rate.
Like, a lot of your haters are gonna come from people who ain't got shit.
You're right.
Don't pay no mind to it.
Hey, I appreciate you keeping it real, man. You kept it real.
Take that goddamn shit off.
I know. It's the bugs and stuff.
Get it, please. No.
Yeah.
Get a call. What is it called? Yeah, ceramic coat.
It is ceramic coated on that.
You still got that shit on it?
Yeah.
No.
You don't like it?
I don't like that on cars.
For real?
It's like
I thought it was like a mask, coronavirus, no?
I guess I'm too.
There's like hella Mopar that got it on. I hope you said the same thing. I hope you said the same thing. Okay. Okay.
But I do like the carbon fiber.
Facts. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I'm trying to do something. Thank you.
It's still good though.
Thank you. Thank you. Mustang, the only Mustang out in this Mopar meet. Come on now. We boosted the rate. Thank you.
That's about it.
We gonna budge. That's 7, 8, 8.
If you take that shit off, it'll
Yeah,
be an 8.
I got you. Okay.
Right.
Back. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I gotta bring something up, bro.
Y'all see that motherfucker? Hold on.
See this right here?
Yo, leaving the meat. One part in the trees. Sheesh. We made it back to the crib. I think that was an alright video. What y'all think, man? We got to get the reviews from, you know, it's some good ratings. It's only the start, like I said, little V6, but wait till I get big dreams, you know what I mean? But yeah, stay tuned. If y'all like the video, y'all just let me know, man. You know what I mean? Let me know what y'all want to see. Different shit all the time, I'll do it, you know what I mean? But yeah, if you like the video, smash the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll be back with another.